Oh, Miss Ivory. You having breakfast? Oh, you having breakfast? Okay, folks. You will notice there's no babies right here on the wire. We moved Nest and the babies into her nest box where they're supposed to be. I checked the babies a few minutes ago. They're all nice and warm and well fed and wiggly. So maybe next time little Miss Ivory will put the babies where they go in the nest box. Like I say, she was a first-time mom, and those of us who've had kids know that you don't always know what to do the first go around. And these rabbits are no exception. Some do fantastic, some don't do very well at all. But she had a heck of a nest even though she put it in the wrong place. But I just wanted to update you as of now on what's going on with this litter of babies. They're all right down in there. I'll show you the babies as they get bigger. You could tell them bye-bye, Mama? You could tell them bye?